crew, hope you're all okay. This week we've been mainly doing chores. It's been a time of just being grounded, and we're really starting to enjoy the new mooring and the new surroundings.
Toilet day! So we got 3 cassettes in total. 2 are full, 1's half full.
You're not videoing that.
Yeah, of course we are. It's real life. It's real life.
Talk about shit.
So it's also rubbish day, so near where the Elton point is at the farm is the rubbish. Realities of narrowboat living. What happens with your poo? Well done, team. You got clean toilets now?
Yep. It's a very happy point in the week, having 3 empty cassettes.
Enjoy.
Yay.
There have also been some very early mornings, and we've been finding our nearest B&Q, and we've found the most incredible Chinese supermarket, which has got loads of vegan ingredients. So exciting times. Lee, my tree surgeon, has come good with some wood. So he's given us about 1 metre of ash. It's about 10-inch diameter. So I'm just going to prepare now. What I need is the plugs, which are outside in the shed. And we also need to melt some wax. So when we plug the log, you seal it with wax so it doesn't get infected. So I'm just going to melt the wax first. Then we'll go plug the log. Back to the mushrooms. So I'm gonna inoculate the log with 3 different types of oyster. So we've got summer oyster, got pearl oyster, tarragon oyster. So as you can see, it's quite a lot of plugs. We're not going to do them all, I don't think. I don't know, we might do. I might do each side, but yeah. Let's go melt the wax and then we can decide what we're going to do. Measure how deep they are, how long they are, so we can tape off the drill bit so every hole's the same. I thought it'd be this organised or precise, but there you go. I'm sort of tending, this is my first ever one, so we're going to do it right, and then I'll feel comfortable winging it in the future. Okay, so that's the plug size. Let's go and do some drilling. Come on, get your hands out of your pockets if you're helping. So this is a piece of ash that Lee's given us.
Thank you, Lee.
Cheers, Lee. So yeah, Shell, are you going to do the drilling?
Yep.
So I've marked off how deep we need to go on the drill.
Oh, right.
So 8 centimetres apart, so roughly. Do all the way down, then all the way down.
Should we get a ruler?
No, we're winging it. Oh, behind it, lab. You can tell by Shell's hair how windy it is. It's also been great seeing things grow. I mean, I don't want to sound naive or stupid here, but I really didn't think you could plant things in October and they grow so well. And it was the 1st of November, a few days ago. And it's almost like the weather's just gone, yep, need to be cold now. Because it's been quite bitter. I mean, I've been on earlies this week and getting up, it's been like 5 degrees in the morning. It's like we've had frosts. So yeah, winter's here with a bang and we're getting through some wood. So I just want to take some time to be grateful, show gratitude for this space that we've got now. It's been an absolute godsend on a day like today when, as you can see, it's, you know, it's cold outside, but it's dry, it's sunny, I can get on and get things done. It's just, yeah, it's a total game changer. It really is. I've been very grateful for this space this week. It's pretty amazing. So the last couple of things that I need to talk to you about. These. There's actually more. There's going to be 4 in the series. So these are Shell's greeting cards. She's blown me away with these. I mean, I absolutely love that image. And just to get my bag for you. This is her bag of rejects because she's so fussy. It's good, I suppose, for anybody that's buying them, but yeah. So we're going to send some of these to our patrons as a little thank you. So yeah, you see that? That is, I mean, I just absolutely love that image. She's done amazing with them. So that's the sort of size of them, and they're available exclusively on our website on Monday. So if you're interested in picking up some hand printed cards, I mean, just the process that she has to go through to print these. Let's have a little look at that. So as you can see, it's not an easy process. Sneak peek, world exclusive. That's going to be the 3rd design, Mr. Gander, and there's also a frog in the series. So they're test prints where it's just getting all the alignment and cleaning up the image of the liner cuts. So yeah, if you're interested in buying some handmade, hand-printed greeting cards for Christmas, exclusively available from chrisandshell.co.uk. Put that here. Yeah, and they're quite finicky. So we'll put up the actual quantity that we got for sale. It won't be many. So yeah, check that out. I hope you like them as much as I do, and my wife is amazing. Without a shadow of a doubt. That is all for this week. But as you can see just over that shoulder, there's a big box. Do you want to have a little look at what next week will involve? Have you guessed what it is? It's a wormery.